Good morning. Slept great today. Morning 5 o'clock utha, watered the plants, and it was a good productive day. थोड़ा सा बैठा एक idea था जो I wanted to share with you. I know the background is overlit, and yeah, I think this is kind of better, है ना? तो एक idea था जो मुझे मिला था in an Instagram reel. Try not to become interesting, try to stay interested in things. अगर ये एक हैबिट है जो हम डेवलप कर सके in our life, not to try to become interesting, not to try to impress others, not to try to do things to get the approval of others, etc. And if we stay interested, अगर ये personal life में भी हो सकता है, maybe it's a company, maybe it's an enterprise, कुछ भी. If we stay interested in our customers of what they want, how they want it, say you sell something, तो आप interested रहना चाहिए. So how can we deliver the product better? How can we make the packaging better instead of trying to become interesting, flashy advertises, etc. Nah. Okay, talking about personal life, say आप interesting बनने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं, trying to buy a big car, big house, etc. Those are investments, yes. But if you are making it from an investing point of view, well and good. अगर आपको society को दिखाना है, trying to become interesting to people, I think आप गलत चल रहे हो. और most importantly, अगर आप 20s में हो, and if you try to develop that skill of becoming interested instead of becoming interesting, आप बहुत आगे जाओगे. If you stay interested in things, interested in developing a skill, interested in suppose AI, interested in learning music, interested in games, interested in your health, interested in learning about the lives of great people who have lived in this world or who is currently living in this world, instead of trying to become interesting, and if you're trying to become interesting, the only thing that you're going to do is a lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of energy. If you're staying interested, you're going to develop skills जो over a long period of time it's going to bear its fruits. And yeah, try to become somebody who can change the course of your family, of the entire generation of your family in the right way. And I believe वो आप कर सकते हो if you stay interested in things rather than trying to become interesting. Think about it.